Do let me know in the comments below if you can relate to this, because the amount of times I've gone back to look for edits that were made years ago, maybe like back in 2020. In fact, all of these that you see on the screen were made in 2020, but there are tons missing. Like, I'm so certain that there was an edit between these two and also one around here, maybe two. It's just the worst feeling ever when you want to rewatch an edit that you really liked years ago and you can't find it because they either archived it, deleted it permanently, or they've deleted their account. I may not sound too affected by it, but trust me, it almost makes me feel sad. I'd be pretty upset if I lost access to all these edits because I watched them during lockdown. And that's when I really started to get into AMV editing. It's the reason why I'm here, making this video right now. So, what was my solution to this problem? Well, a few months ago, I spent a lot of time, far too much time, collecting edits from my saved and turning them into a collection, or multiple collections, as you can see. So I went through my Instagram, primarily Instagram, some on TikTok, not many. Most of my edits come from Instagram. That's where all the gems are at. Then I exported them as archives starting from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also did put them all together into one massive mega compilation. 1 hour, what does that say? 48 minutes. That is absurd. But it would have been longer if I still had the edits saved which were deleted. It really is a shame that they no longer exist as far as I know, but at least I've got these saved. The way I did this was I made a spreadsheet. So it has the edit name, creator, source, so it could be Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or something else. Date posted, so I can filter it or sort it out, should I say, by the date. Year, so starting from 2017 all the way up to 2025. And also a link to the source. That's what I did. I collected every single, well, not every single edit, but most edits that I had saved, which I really wanted to archive. Basically edits that mean a lot to me. Guess how many edits I've saved? Not 100, not 200, but over 300 edits. That's quite a lot, isn't it? There are some which I could not download because they don't exist. Again, that same issue. I was too late. If only I had downloaded this earlier, I would have had it, but I don't. So I've got the URL here. If I click it, it's private. I could ask the creator, hey, can you send me a copy of your edit? But I don't have their @ or anything. It's just, is it Jota? I have no idea. Look, I just searched up Jota AMV. It's just coming up with football edits. It's not really helpful. Again, Jota, it's not going to work. Anyways, you get the point. Just try and download those edits as soon as you can because they can disappear immediately, the next day. That's how quick you have to be. So if you see an edit you like, save it, download it. It's not going to stay there forever. Alright, so to finish this video off, I want to tell you a few things. So if you are planning on making an archive and if you're going to post that archive online, aka make it public, please include credits. I can't stress it enough. You must include credits within the video and also in the description below. But before that, I'll talk about that in a second. I do recommend including a disclaimer at the start, just so your viewers know what this video is about. It just adds some context. So I've put that this video is part of an archive series showcasing edits. These are not mine. I do not claim any ownership of any content shown. Everyone has been credited in the description and also in the video. Also my reason for archiving, even though it's a little obvious, you don't have to put that, it's optional. As you can see, I've timestamped every single edit, for example, this one here. And what I've also done is added the link beside it. So this takes you directly to the Instagram post, which is where I downloaded it from. Now, I understand a lot of editors don't want their edits reposted. However, this is different. This is for archival reasons. This is not some random Instagram account using AI generated captions, leaving absolutely no credits to the original editor. It's not like that. So please don't feel guilty. There's nothing wrong with doing this. But if you are concerned, then feel free to reach out to the editor. It doesn't really hurt to ask a simple question. So yeah, that's about it. Those edits that I've lost, which I was talking about earlier, they are merely just a memory. Wait, if you think about it, it's all lost media. I don't know why I said that. It's nothing interesting. If anything, it's sad.